we got Nintendo 64 games. You guys got any busted games and want to learn how to fix them? Stay tuned. I'm about to show you all the different ways that you can clean them out, crack open up these cartridges, and how to safely clean it. And then one method that is a little bit more abrasive, but it does work. All right, so remember back in the day when we would be blowing all up in here? Well, our breath contains vapor, and that moisture gets in on these copper pins and it won't work anymore because it oxidizes. So once it's oxidized, you're pretty much gonna need one of these babies, 3.8 millimeter safety screw taker outer, and then some rubbing alcohol. Method one, what we're gonna need is a little bit of those and a little bit of this. So take your Q-tips, dip it in a little bit of at least 90% alcohol. I ordered mine off of Amazon. I think it was like 16 bucks. It was kind of expensive. And then the 8-bit games with a 3.8 millimeter safety tool here, screw taker outer. It has little different shape, and that's just gonna get right on in the back here. Right on in there. This is the only one I have that's relatively working, so we're gonna throw it in there. All right, power on. We got nothing. However, sometimes when I do it hard enough, but we know that the machine's working. And if you guys have a TV like mine and you don't have a channel 3, you're gonna need to get yourself an AV to HDMI converter. What it does is it just plugs in those 3 cords, plug in your AV to the box, then you plug in your HDMI to your TV to the box. Then you got this Bluetooth power cord. I don't know why I said Bluetooth. Oops. You got your cord, goes in there, got that all unlocked. I'm gonna do these first step here, and I'm just gonna take my swab, stick it in to the rubbing alcohol, and then let it, just gonna go in there, clean off those pins. We got a little dust, a little dusty dust. Cleaned off those pins. All right, now you're gonna let it dry. Okay, time for step 2. What we're gonna do is go ahead and unscrew the 2 security screws. I already mixed some Barkeeper's Friend and a little bit of water inside a dish, and I'm going to use that mixture with some cotton swabs on the copper pins. Okay, you guys? Now the thing is, with these copper pins, you're gonna be very careful. You're just gonna gently rub off. Yes, you are rubbing off part of the copper, the outer layer that oxidized. Now we're just gonna open this up. Just pops off. Kind of gotta slide it a little bit. Put her to the side. Clean off any gunk, any muck that's got in there. Then we got 2 more screws in here. So we're gonna go ahead and unscrew those. Push down a little bit to get that plate to pop up. Now this is a 3-bit. This one's stripped. All right, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm going to do something a little risky here. Make sure you do get all this off. Let's see what happens. Time for the moments of truth. Bam, baby. We did it. I'm so excited. Okay, so check and point 1 for 1. Next, we're gonna try to clean this one. Okay, so next we're gonna take Lego Racer. We're just gonna give a nice coating. Don't rub too hard. You could damage that. Now we're gonna let that breathe for a little bit. Let's just do them all. We're gonna do them all. Good old Donkey Kong 64. Scooby-Doo. Pokemon Snap. And last but not least, we have Pokemon Stadium. We're gonna pop them in. Dr. Mario 64. We got 2 for 3. Yes. I haven't played these games since I was like 10. Super Mario 64. Nice. Come on, baby. I'll just turn it blue. Let's try changing the pixels. Sometimes it'll boom. Nope. Whatever. Nothing. Sub-Zero. Mortal Kombat. Mortal Kombat. Donkey Kong 64. Nice little tap.
Okay.
Yeah. You guys ever sing this rap? Donkey Kong. This was such a banger. Okay, you guys, I'm pleasantly surprised. Press start. Let's go. Let's go. We're in. We are in, baby. Oh. We got 2 hours on there, 5%. Oh my God, it even has a load save. Scooby-Doo. Gentle little push. And it didn't work. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Ah! Hi. Hi. That's Ruby. Star Wars. Oof. No signal. All right, you guys. So by cleaning it with just the rubbing alcohol, we got Dr. Mario and Donkey Kong 64 to work. Looks like we're gonna have to do surgery on the rest of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening up this Lego racer. Remove those security pins, 3mm. Put some pressure when you first push down on these, or else you're not gonna get them up, and then you're gonna strip the screw. Remove the plate. This is what it looks like. You're gonna have this flat piece on the picture side where it shows all the connectors, which everything looks like it's soldered right still. Does look a little iffy on these pins though, like right here. Okay. I'm gonna take a new Q-tip in our bowl, put it down. Next side. New Q-tip. Rubbing alcohol, wipe it all off. You don't want any of that left on there because it's just going to continue to eat it away. Our cloth, put our game back. Let's go pop her in. Okay, Star Wars. And voila, we're in another one. I got my old save file. Geo. I'm just gonna go do all of them and I will be right back. Oh my God, yes. Okay, so we're in. We got it. We got it. Grabbing my controller. We're in. Oh, Rugrats. I love the Rugrats. See if it works. New game. Oh my God, this one was so fun. Star Wars. Did we get it? Yeah, baby. Another one. Oh, so we came across a lot of water damage. Water will cause it to rust on the metal, but you might get lucky and none of the pins will be messed up. seeing a little bit. So we cleaned off as much of the rust as I could with some rubbing alcohol and closed it back up. Time to see if the Rugrats works. We did another one. Ah. We're in, baby. This is another favorite. And we're in again. Okay. What a night for a night. So this one, you go and you hunt and find like clues to catch the scary, creepy guy. I mean, Scooby-Doo. But we're in! Sub-Zero Mortal Kombat. Yeah, baby! And we're in! Another one! Yeah. Dance! Dance! Woo! Dance, Ruby, dance! Dance! Yeah! Alright, Glover boys and Glover girls. Yes! Okay, now this one also had water damage. And a couple of the pins were a little rusty. And with a little bit of rubbing alcohol and our magical mixture, we got it to work. I've never played this one, actually. I bought it and it never worked. It looks like Mario. The countdown begins. We got 4 left. Woohoo! Ah, we're in. 3. You guys think our streak's gonna keep going? We got 2 more. Pokemon Snap and Pokemon Stadium. Woo woo! 1999, baby. I was 6, not 10. I said 10 earlier. I got these at 6 years old. Okay, a lot of pressure. All right, what do we got? Yes, we got it. We got it. We got in. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my God. Bum, bum, bum. Love it. Oh, good old Professor Oak. And then I don't know what to do about that. Besides cough a little bit. But that's okay. Right, Ruby? That's okay. That's okay. We did it. All right, one more. It's time for the last, but the very not least. Okay, this looks pretty grimy. See the issue here. Authentic. Dip into our bowl. I'm about to lose my mind and I think I like it. Woo. I'm like singing DuckTales and then whatever that song's called. Oh, I'm so excited. This is seriously gonna bring back like my childhood right here. Time to put her back together. Okay, we're all done. Let's go pop her in and see what happens. Moment we have been waiting for. Pokemon Stadium. No pressure. Oh, yes. We did it. We did it. Oh my God, yeah. We are in there like swimwear. We got every single game working and we got all of them from Reptar to Pokemon, Lego, you name it. It works. There's 3 different methods. The other one is Magic Eraser. If this doesn't work. That's way more abrasive though than the copper cleaner one. Rubbing alcohol, number 1. Barkeeper's Friend, number 2. Magic Eraser, number 3. We did it! Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching me fix all 15 games over here. It just takes a little TLC, a little puppy love, and you will get it done too. So this is TC Georgie here. Comment, rate, and subscribe for more.